exam special to American high schools. You would probably not have to score as high as Americans do, obviously, because they're a little more difficult. But most universities would require that you take them. There's also some substitute tests that you can take instead of the SAT, but that's something that you have to think about when you start thinking about studying abroad, in the US specifically. So these tests you can take as many times as you want. You have probably, in Poland, probably at least 2 opportunities a year to take them. They have several components. When I was taking them, they had a language component and a math component, and I think another reading and comprehension component. I think they have changed a little bit, but you can find out more information online about these tests. What I'm actually going to leave you with is a brochure of how to apply to an American university. It's intended specifically on how to apply to Yale, but this brochure is going to be available to you so that I don't have to go through each one of the specific steps to prepare yourself for the application. So you'll be able to go to look at that brochure and find out further information on that. So you do have to think about the TOEFL, which is the test for the English language for foreigners, SATs, and then the formal application process starts when you go online and request an application. Anybody can request an application from an American university. The application, for the most part right now, is electronic, so you would fill it out electronically. It's not something you can do in 24 hours. It takes a very long time. You will choose 2 or 3 teachers who will write a recommendation on your behalf. These are very important. And you will also write a personal essay, which is not a very long piece of writing, and it's very important to spend some time on it. So the applications usually arrive into America. For instance, to Yale, they would arrive before December, before the year that you are about to start the university. So let's say you are graduating from high school this following year. You would have to probably request your application right now, start thinking about how to fill it out, and start, well, it would probably be already too late to take the exams. Maybe there will be one more opportunity, but it also takes some time to prepare for the exams, so you have to think about it at least 2 or 3 years prior to the application. So at this time, if you are graduating next year, you would you would request your application and start filling it out. You would already have your scores from your tests, from the SATs and from the TOEFL, and you start writing your essays. And before December, you would send your application in. And like I said, you can submit it to several universities if you wish, and not just only to one. So it becomes a little easier.